Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with Jelly. So, today we're on lesson 2 of module 1 on how you can get started with Google Colab. Now, Google Colab is going to be the online resource that you use in order to follow all of the subsequent lessons. So, let's look at our agenda for today. We're going to discuss what is Google Colab, talk about the privacy of Google Colab, and then we're going to hop right into a demo on how you can find Google Colab and utilize it for all of your coding assignments. So, what exactly is Google Colab? Google Colab, also known as Google Collaboratory, is a free product from Google Research. It's going to allow you to create and share Jupyter notebooks. So, some of you may be used to Anaconda, where you have downloaded Anaconda on your computer and you keep a local instance of your notebook, but you can't share it unless you send it via email, upload it on a server, whatever the case may be. Google Colab is in the cloud, it's on the internet. And anytime you create a Jupyter notebook, it's going to save to your Google Drive. So if you have a Gmail, it's going to save exactly to that Gmail account. So you'll never lose your code. And it works just like Jupyter itself. So the privacy and security around here, around Google Colab, is notebooks are going to be stored, like I mentioned, on the Google Drive, and you can share it with others via email or a link. It's as safe as a Google Doc, and it's great for your own personal use. So let's go ahead and hop right into a new tab so you all can see the Google Colab interface. I'm just going to type Google Colab right into Google. And the first one that pops up is the collab.research.google.com. I'm going to put a link to this in the description below. I'm going to click on Google Colab. And here it's going to allow me to upload a file. It can also connect to your Google Drive. It can connect to GitHub, etc. And yours may look like it has tabs across the top. That is perfectly fine as well. But regardless, you want to hit upload if you want to upload an existing notebook or you just want to create new notebooks. So I'm just going to create a new notebook. And once I create a new notebook, I'm able to title this notebook. So I'm just going to do test analysis right at the top. It's saved as a .ipynb. That just means Python notebook. And I can type in any piece of code that I want and run it. Okay. And like I said, it's going to automatically save, but I also can go to file and hit save, and it's going to be right in my drive. Later on, we're going to talk about how to upload data in Google Colab, and that's going to be on this folder on the left-hand side. So if you click this folder and click upload, that is going to allow you to upload any data you may have stored on your computer. Okay. So thank you all for tuning in to the introduction to Google Colab. Stay tuned for the next module where we're going to learn more tools on your journey to become a data analyst. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.